Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into Real Divyne today. In today's episode, we will be trying out Lolas Lash Kit. I'm super excited about this. So there are two of them that I have today. I have the Add Little Attitude to Your Lashes with our full proof kit, and that will be the Sapphire Lash Kit. And I also have Enhanced Length and Volume for Everyday Elegance, which will be the Jade Lash Kit. So I'm super excited to try these. I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed day so far and are feeling great. I just want to say, even though we are talking about outside beauty, I want you guys to all know that you guys are beautiful people in the inside, deserve to be loved. You cannot be replaced. You are one of a kind, and all in all, a blessing to this world with the talent that nobody has, because you are you. I think I want to try the Jade Lash Kit first, just because it's in Everyday Elegance. So I'm going to try what the everyday will be like. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. There are steps to this. There's step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Step 1, make sure your eyelashes are clean, free from oils or anything. I'm good with that. Step 2, apply the eyeliner. Step 3, apply the lashes. The lashes are cute. They look really nice. Okay. I'm gonna set them down. And we have the lash cleaner as well. Just the whole packaging all in all is really cute. Not gonna lie, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take my time and line my eyes. I gotta use the 5X on the mirror because I have one lined. Time to move on to the next eye. Trying to do my best. Okay, alright, so I didn't do as good on my left eye as the right eye, but it's fine. It's just gonna have to do. It's crazy because I have tried wearing regular lashes and I've been like not that successful with them, but I do wear eyeliner, so I wanted to try this, and I do wear a lot of mascara, so I'm excited. I'm ready. I hope this works. I'm gonna be so let down if it doesn't. How does it look? It looks like it low-key worked. I can see it on well, but I'm gonna add it, actually put it in more in the inner of my eye. Alright, I'm apply a little bit more. I felt like it was laying nicely. I can feel it sticking, but first of all, I feel like I gotta play with it a little bit to get it to lay down. And I'm just gonna apply some on the other eye too, just in case. Just to get it to dry. Okay, so I'm gonna try again. Hopefully. Okay. You guys, this is legit. I have it on and it don't feel like it's coming off at all. Oh my gosh, these are cute. Okay, these are to make me want to get my lashes done. So there. This one feels probably more sturdy. I don't know. But it doesn't look bad, and I'm gonna leave it alone just to see how it is. But you guys, this is great. Like, I didn't think it was gonna work.
Like, you guys, I feel like they're on good. I mean,
It's probably moving up a little bit right there. All in all, you guys, these are not bad at all. Definitely worth it, and they look like really good everyday lashes to wear. And I'm pretty sure they'll look better if I wear mascara with them. I should do that. But I'm not sure if you should wear, I mean, I'm pretty sure you can put on some mascara and then put this on. But I just wanted to see what they look like alone. And alone, they already look great. Alright, so all in all, you guys, these lashes are great as long as you make sure you are applying your eyeliner right and that you don't mess with it too much. Because I feel like as long as I'm not messing around too much with it, like, it'll stay. But they're really nice. I like them. And the best part is that you don't have to worry about lash glue, because I would try a couple of times with lashes with glue and I'll just be like, oh. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, because you guys are all beautiful people. And remember what I said, you are one of a kind. Your beauty on the outside, I know it reflects all the beauty that you have on the inside. You guys have a beautiful day. Mwah.